Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a little bit different because we're not doing a cooking recipe and mukbang. Today we're just doing a mukbang. So as you can see, Wendy's is celebrating 50 years and they have the 2 for $5 Dave single. So we're gonna do the unwrapping. Alright. So I mean, I don't like mustard or ketchup on my burger. So this is what it looks like. For $2.50, good deal. All right, let's take our first bite. It's pretty good. It's juicy. I want to say a shout out to all the people who have been subscribing to the channel since recently. It means a lot. We just hit 50 subscribers. Wow. I must say Wendy's is doing something right. So guys, I'm wondering what type of videos would you like to see me film in the future? As you can see, we recently changed the name from Adrian Simpson Filter to Adrian Cooking and Food Review, because we want to make sure that we stay on brand to what exactly the channel is all about. Wow. So, I recently went to Jamaica for vacation, and I'm now living in America, and I feel like Jamaica is moving into the direction where they're trying to make money off of people. We understand they want to sustain the environment and want to cut down the use of plastic and all that, but I went there and they're using paper straws. I mean, good move, yes, but these paper straws, as soon as you start drinking your drink, they go flat. The cup holders were horrible because they changed the material, and as soon as the drippage from the water from the cup start hitting that, the whole thing falls out. So now you're losing money. But it's very important so that we protect the environment. So I feel like they're moving in the right direction. But also, in the case of Jamaica, I feel like they are doing this just to make money, because even the paper bag now, they don't give it to you. You have to pay for it. Previously, you used to get plastic bag for free. Yeah. And then moving on to the other bags that they have. They're not very good bags either. Those bags are cheap quality. Most Jamaicans don't remember to walk with a bag. Meanwhile, they're going on the road to grocery shopping or anything like that. So every time they go, they gotta buy a bag. But as you can see, these burgers, they are inconsistent, because this one look really nice. Look at the bun on that. All right, let's get a close-up. Wow. But what do you guys think about different countries trying to cut out the use of plastic? Wow. Wendy's, this is good, affordable, delicious. I'm telling you, I see that Big Mac challenge going around, and I'm like, I don't like Big Mac. So if you want to see me do a quadruple Wendy's Devil's single, let me know. I don't really care for McDonald's. But you see, I'm wearing a hoodie today. It's a little cold over here in West Virginia. It's beautiful outside though, because all the leaves are starting to change and everything like that. So I'm enjoying it. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. It's a very chill video today. I'm just sitting down, trying to get to know you guys. So if you have any questions about me, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try and answer them. And typically, according to society, you shouldn't eat and talk. So we are thankful for this whole thing of mukbang nowadays, because you can eat and talk and nobody look down on you. Maybe some people do, but who cares? As long as we have those people who are enjoying these mukbangs and everything like that, it's always a good time. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much. And you all have a wonderful day. Peace.